sky turned gray, and it started snowing.
Yeah, it's snowing pretty hard right now.
I can't say that our RV is equipped to be a snow vehicle, but as you can see, we have very limited visibility, and it's white everywhere. Let's just zoom in on these particles of snow. Awesome.
Yeah, it's a little tiny bit scary. But I saw a car coming the other direction like 5 minutes ago, so I guess that means 5 minutes ago the roads were open coming the other direction.
What do you mean? You saw a car coming this way 5 minutes ago without snow on it?
It means the weather must be better coming from over there.
Oh my gosh. I feel like it just got heavier.
These flakes are like so big. Why don't we just pull over at that rest area? What do you say?
Sounds like a good idea. Alright, we are at day 26 or 27, I believe, on our way to Bozeman. Alright, signing off.